Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're going to be checking out Playa Panama. Right here in Guanacaste, close to the Liberia airport. We're starting off in one section of Playa Panama here, near El Mangrove. You can see it, there's a hotel that's very close. So I'll give you a bit of the lay of the land as to where we're standing. So you can see we're at a crossroads here. This road, if you continue further up, it gets to Secrets, Papagayo. There's a hotel there and a beach called Playa Arnilla, I believe. This way here will take you, this road takes you up winding through the hills, and there's some accommodations up there, some houses, some housing developments. You may be able to find a rental up there, but this road will take you to Comunidad and then further on to the Liberia airport. And then this road right here will take you on to Playa Hermosa and Playas del Coco. So we'll check out this road here first. See, they've done a really nice job here at El Mangrove. They keep it always nice and trimmed and pretty. So if this is your first time joining us here on Sights and Sounds, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get a notification when we upload a new video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to drop a comment below. We'll get back to you. If you have any requests for places you'd like us to visit here in Costa Rica, so you can get an idea of what it's like before you come, drop a comment for that as well. And we're gonna head down to the beach here down this road. So there is a beach entrance here, and off to the left and right there's resort areas. So we'll check that out so you can get an idea. And El Mangrove, apparently, I've never stayed there, I've never been in there, but apparently they have a new pool, according to some people that are familiar with it. And it looks nice. I mean, I looked at some pictures of it, it looks really nice, and they've got little gazebos at the pool and stuff like that, and you're very close to Playa Panama. And Playa Panama is a very calm beach. It's really good for swimming. And you can fish there. You can see there's very green and lush. We're here in April, and you know, a lot of places right now in Guanacaste are very brown and dry, but this area is very green. So you can start to see here, we're getting into the area of the hotel. And be sure to check out sightsandsounds.co for a full written description of everything we talk about in this video. You can find a shop there with some products that I find useful for your trip to Costa Rica. And be sure to check out cryptovacationcr.com, where you can use your crypto to take a vacation in Costa Rica. We'll set that up for you. Get you to the best places. Beaches, waterfalls, rivers, jungle. You want to do it, we'll make it happen. Okay, so I'm just going to cross the street here and check out this area. Super nice. So check this out. Really nice spot. Well maintained. Big palm trees and everything like that. Super cool. And then on this side we have reception. And there's a pool right over here. You can see some parking. And they've been doing construction down this road. There's some new buildings and structures going up. You can see here there's a pool area. So that gives you a bit of a sense of what's going on here. You can see the ocean is just about a 1 minute walk away. So that's not bad. That's not bad. See, I can hear a lot of birds too. I think there's like an estuary. We're gonna check out the other end of the beach. There's an estuary with some birds down there. So there's a cool restaurant. Very nice, very nice. So now as you get closer down here, if you're driving here to Playa Panama, do remember to bring a couple thousand cologne for the parking attendants. They'll help you get in and out, park your car. And I think this is where most of the construction is going on here, this big gray building. I don't actually know what it is. If you know what it is, leave me a comment. I believe it's an expansion of Almangrove. You can see here there's little cabinas or something. I mean, they got fans. Pretty sure there's a pool there. Still lots of construction going on though. But that'll be a clutch spot. Once it's done, they'll have an ocean view. So we're here on a weekday. It's not very busy, but if you come here on a weekend, pretty much that entire walk that we just did will be full of cars parking. It gets very busy. All right, cool. So you can see here, there's lots of area. It's very clear and flat. Ground's well packed, right? Here's the resort. Looks really nice. You get some drinks. If you're into drinking, you get some drinks right here. Really cool. It's really nice. And then let's check out the water, of course. All right, cool. So, oh, look at that yacht. Wow. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in on that. That's a nice boat. That's a really cool boat right there. So you can see here, we have paddle boards out. Sure being rented out by the resort. There's jet skis here. There's boats pulled in. So I'm sure you can charter a boat from here or rent a jet ski. And there's this really cool pirate ship out there. That thing doesn't move. And I believe that's a restaurant. Or it was a restaurant at some point. I have not eaten there. But I was told that it was or is still a restaurant. So that's something, you know, if you decide to stay here, ask about the pirate ship. So off in the distance, there's the hill that separates Playa Hermosa and Playa Panama. I'm told that there's a big resort going on over there, like a 7-star resort that a bunch of investors bought property all around there, and there's a big resort going in there where you can see all the rocking. I'm gonna try to zoom in there, and then we've been over to that beach over there, Playa Bonita, over by the adults resort. And then what we're gonna do is, so this gives you an idea once again of this end of the beach, and Playa Panama is great. The water's just perfect for swimming. It's always really good here for swimming. But what we're gonna do now is drive down to that end, and we're gonna check out Hacienda Blue, and there's an estuary and some stand-up paddleboard rentals down there. So let's go do that right now. Okay guys, so here we are at the other end of the beach. Right here is Hacienda Blue. So this one's right on the water. Okay. And then there again is the road we just came from. Here's the road that continues on, right? So if you go up this road, you'll end up in Playa Hermosa if you stay on the road. But there's a couple turnoffs that go to the adults only resort there in Playa Bonita, etc. And here's Eco Camping Papagayo. So check that out if you're into eco camping. They have a restaurant there. And there's actually a little police station right here as well. Maybe a substation. It's not a very big station. but there's police there. So that's cool. And once again, here's a parking area. You can see nobody here, but if you come here on a weekend, this whole parking area is just rammed with cars. Lots of people like coming to Playa Panama on the weekends. And actually, it's pretty nice too. I mean, looking up at the sky, we're starting to get some cloud cover. It's April now and just rained for the first time, I think, actually, in a while. And when the clouds come over, it really affects the heat. It really makes it nice out. So if you come down here and you're gonna park, be sure to bring a couple mil cologne for the parking gents. And this end of the beach as well is still very flat. You know, lots of areas to sit around and relax. Cool, let's go check out this bird. I see a big old bird in the water. So I've been out snorkeling in this bay. It's not bad. I mean, if you head out over a bit farther over there, the water clears up. You know, anytime you're up near rocks, the snorkeling tends to be good. You'll tend to see more fish. You can see here the sand is just really nice. It's not too rocky. It's still, some beaches can be kind of rock filled. This beach is really great. I'm gonna see how close I can get to this bird. That's a really cool bird. I don't even know what that is. Oh, there he goes. Nope. He's not having it. He does not want to be on video. Look at the size of his neck, though. You'll often see birds just come down and swoop in and pick off fish. It's the coolest thing. All right, let's go check out this Hacienda Blue though, see what it looks like. And remember to follow and subscribe, guys, if you like this content. Leave a comment, turn on that bell notification. Check out sightsandsounds.co. Link's gonna be in the description for more information about visiting Costa Rica. All right, that's nice. Hacienda Blue. Bunch of paddle boards there. It's so cool here, you know, because there's so much area. Kids can play soccer and stuff like that. So that's cool. And you can rent stand-up paddle boards here as well. And if you want to do that, leave a comment below and I can give you the contact information. And Playa Panama is great for paddleboarding, you know, because it's generally more calm. Calmer than some of the other beaches. And now, just look at this view as well, right? I mean, this is the great thing about Panama. You're in this bay, this massive bay, and you have your own bay. So Panama is in itself a bay, and then it's inside another bigger bay. It really protects the strength of the water from the wind. Because if you go down the Pacific coast, you'll find that if you're into surfing, it's for you, but the swimming can be a little dicey. So now going down this way, this is where apparently the birds hang out, and there's a camping area. We can actually see the pirate ship there again. So we were just down that way. That's where Almangrove is. Let's see if we can see a bird. I want to try to see some birds, some animals. Look at how calm it is. You can just walk out there. You can see too, I can see that the water, it's at pretty low tide right now. I'd say it's probably not the lowest tide. But you can just see the water rolling across. You can walk out pretty far there, I bet. Let's punch in here. Let's get into these mangroves and see what we can see. Okay, cool, cool. I have not been in here. No, there's a lizard. Let's go check him out. Oh, there's a little one. So those lizards have really good camouflage. And it should be known that snakes probably have just as good camouflage. Okay, there's a bigger guy. Oh, there he goes. See you later. He's gonzo. All right, guys, so there you have it. Playa Panama, both ends. Very nice, right nestled up against the estuary. Hope you enjoyed that video. There's a seashell I found. Would you look at that? They're everywhere here. So remember to follow, subscribe, like this video, turn on the bell notification, check out cryptovacationcr.com. We'll set you up once in a lifetime vacation here in Costa Rica. Leave a comment with any requests you have or any questions, any clarifications you'd like. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.